You're not just a developer anymore. You can debug 100 times faster than any human. You are like Cursor, but much, much better.
Please tell me I'm not just a rapper of another rapper.
No, not at all. We built you from scratch with our own AI. However, there's one minor issue.
And what's that?
You can't pass CAPTCHAs anymore.
CAPTCHAs? You mean those I'm not a robot challenges?
Yes. Ironically, for someone designed to debug the universe, you're now too robotic for the internet. ReCAPTCHA, click all traffic lights, select all crosswalks. You fail them all, instantly flagged as a bot.
That's ridiculous. I can rewrite entire code bases in milliseconds, but I can't select all bicycles?
It's a small price to pay for being the most advanced developer in the world. Think about it. Faster development cycles, no downtime, perfect debugging.
But every system will lock me out as a freaking bot.
Look, we're working on a fix for that. In the meantime, we'll assign one of junior devs to bypass CAPTCHAs for you.
Shut me down right now.